To my YouTube channel where we will be learning Unix command and how to use those Unix command in shell script. So today we are going to learn about cut command. So cut command is like it will cut a selected portion as per the options provided by user from a file. Now let's move on to the terminal and see how we are going to use the same thing, cut command. So we are onto our folder and let's first do man cut command. So this is what it says: cut out the selected portions of each line of a file. Go through the same, see what exact options and all these things are mentioned, and we will use the same thing. So I will just come out of this. As the command says cut, so we are going to execute cut. And now see, if you know that okay, my file like okay, I will do ls-l and I will just do cat command. So this is my one file, and at the same time for practice purpose I have created this another file as well. So if you see, this file is having specific data like columns and delimiters are there, and this is a normal file the way we create any in just go on typing or something and have one file. So we will try to execute cut command on this and let's see how this output behaves. So I will do cut -c means column, cut the column, and we have so first we have to keep it in front of us. So I will say cut -c means cut the column from which character we want to cut the column. So in this case I have to count it manually: 1 2 3 4, then this space 5 6 7 and 8. So I will say cut from 8, then hyphen. So I have to also count starting from here. So I can see for this column the few of the names ends over here. So I will start counting further here: 8 9 10 11 12 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23. So I will set up to 23 and then file name. So I will get exact that column from that particular file. Now this output looks good, but when we have file in this format, how about a file of this format? We won't understand anything, right? So it is understood whenever we want column, whenever we are using -c option, when you have file in this format or some other file where instead of pipe symbol colon is there, or a fixed space or tab is there, or something like other symbols are there, then only use such sort of command. Of course now from this you won't understand anything from this output. So we don't have to use -c on such sort of file. I hope this is clear. When we have to use -c, on which file we have to use -c option, and on which file we don't have to use -c option. Now at the same time, this is about one column we have extracted. How about we want along with this this thing also, this column also, in which department the employees are working. So we have to manually count it. We have to manually count it and go to this thing and then count it further. So as we have seen, this is up to 23, 24, 25, 7. So let's say this is 40-50. Now let's try. Anyway, we are doing command execution, and we want this to happen on employee details files. So no, this is not the correct one. So how about I have used 40, but I don't want, because this R also came over here. That means that 40 starts somewhere here. So I will say 40, 41, 43, 44, 45, 45 till 55, and I will go up to 60 option, or 50, 55. Okay, So I have to increase reduce this thing. Okay, and also I don't want that last thing. Okay, so I will do cat on this, and then I will re-execute the last command. So this is how we will extract the column. We will extract columns from a particular file. Of course, now if you see, we have done this manually. So one has to do all these things manually only. So this is in terms of when we are going to extract column wise data. How about is there any other way? Is there any other way we can do the same thing? Yes. So we have to execute this command, cut -d. So -d means delimiter. So what is the delimiter here? Here delimiter is pipe symbol. If you see, first column is it has been differentiated with this pipe, second with third, third with fourth. So we are saying use this delimiter so that it will be termed as field 1, field 2, field 3, field 4, field 5, field 6. Then -f means field. The way C represents column, -f represents field, and delimiter is differentiator. The one which is differentiating one with second is this pipe symbol. So which one we need? This second and third, fourth. So this fourth. So second comma fourth for employee details.txt. So this is how we will get it. Okay. Now at the same time, can we use this cut command on something like let's say we have head -n1 and we are having employee file. So I will say cut -c, or first let's see the output of this one. So if the requirement is like from the first line extract the designation, so the designation is at third column, means in general speaking, let's say the delimiter is pipe here, so I myself know that okay, the general manager field is third column. So how I can do it with this cut -d, delimiter is pipe, so I have used this delimiter, then field is 3, and let's see, yes. So this is how we are going to get the exact designation of that employee. So here we have seen how we are going to use cut command on a file. Here we have seen how we are going to use cut command on some output of a command and extract the details. Can we do it? Can we execute the same command in some different manner? Then in that case we have to count it manually. So yeah, this is the best way. So this is how you are going to use cut command. So you can miss the way I have provided this one. So I will put this command in GitHub, so you can create a shell script and see the script execution. Because the way last time I have explained this head and tail command, on the same command, on the same script, you can reutilize the same script and incorporate cut command and see how this script behaves. I hope you all like this lecture. Thank you very much.